How to forget a Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network, which will be helpful if you no longer want your iPhone to automatically connect to it. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now, in this option, tap on the second option, which is Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now you have to tap on your connected Wi-Fi. Tap on the first option. And now tap on Forget this network to forget your network. Tap on it. And again tap on the Forget option, which will ultimately help you to forget your Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. In this way, you can easily remove any connection that is connected to your iPhone. If you found our video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.